Crafting your leadership development plan can be daunting when you're uncertain which skills and capacities to focus on. You know you want to grow, but of course, the path isn't clear. A well defined development plan helps because it serves as a personal roadmap, highlighting the areas that will make the most impact in your leadership journey. It brings clarity, focus, and a sense of proactive advancement in your career. Now, granted, you can't control everything or maybe anything, but when you have a sense of direction, you'll be informed when you need to make decisions about opportunities to take advantage of. A leadership or career coach can really help you identify your strengths and the gaps in your skill set. Together, you'll analyze feedback from peers, set specific growth goals, and build a roadmap to achieve them. With your coach, you'll craft a plan that focuses on the skills most relevant to your ambitions. Communication, decision making, or emotional intelligence may bolster your leadership effectiveness. Your development plan becomes a personalized strategy for leadership excellence, making you not just a participant in your growth, but the architect of it. And you'll no longer be asking, how should I plan my development?